This is Jessica ChenFeng. I'm Associate Professor of Marriage and Family Therapy, and I'm also the Program Chair of our Doctorate and MFT program at Fuller Theological Seminary. I'm excited, and it's an honor to speak as a plenary speaker at this upcoming conference in April, and I will be speaking on what we've titled A Long Faithfulness Across Generations, Rupture and Repair in Asian American Families. So the thing that I'm addressing is that most of us, if not all of us, are familiar with family rupture. This is the day-to-day challenges and pains of figuring out life together in our families, but it can also be the significant traumatic moments or seasons of family life that give shape to our relationships to one another. So we're going to try our best to make sense of our experiences of rupture through different lenses, not only generational family dynamics, but also narratives of immigration, cultural scripts, and neurobiology. My hope is that through our increased understanding and dialogue, we're going to validate and affirm each other's journeys and see how the Trinity, the person of our Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, offers us a way to imagine repair and resilience. And that together we'll see that this is part of the sacred work of sanctification across generations. I'll hope to discuss practical tools and pathways to engage the work of repair within ourselves, our relationships, and our faith communities. So please register, join us in person at Biola or online for our Flourishing, our Faith Mental Health Conference in April.